Growing a hibiscus plant is a very easy process, if you know the basic requirements of hibiscus plant. In the main steps of growing a hibiscus plant, the pruning is also very important, because it enhances the beauty of the hibiscus plant and its health also. And a healthy plant can produce lot of blooms and it grows very well also. Pruning is the trimming and cutting of unwanted branches from a plant. Sometimes the hibiscus grows in a very disordered shape. To make it in order we need to cut the branches. You can prune your hibiscus plant in two styles. To make your plant more bushy, you can prune your hibiscus plant softly. And if you want to make your hibiscus plant more strong and healthy, you have to prune it hardly. We will see both of these methods one by one. First, let's talk about the right time of pruning. Pruning of hibiscus plant is super beneficial, if you do this in a right season. The best time to prune your hibiscus plant is in the spring season and in the whole summer season also, because this is the growing time of hibiscus plant. If you prune it in the winters, there is nothing going to happen, because the winter season is the dormancy time of hibiscus plant. Soft pruning of hibiscus plant enhance the growth of flower buds and new branches. In the soft pruning you just need to pinch out the upper growing shoots a little. You can prune your hibiscus plant softly within the whole growing season. It helps a lot to keep the hibiscus plant in shape. Hard pruning is the trimming of woody stems to make it more growing and to enhance its immunity. Hard pruning is mainly used to make a desired shape of the hibiscus plant. You can prune your hibiscus plant hardly in the spring season. Pruning of hibiscus plant helps a lot to grow multiple branches, so you must try this technique. The other thing is to know the right method of pruning. The main mistake we made is the usage of wrong tool. You can use any cutter but make sure it is disinfected of all type of germs. For disinfection of your cutters, you can watch my another video that I have added in the description and I button. Simply cut the dead and dried branches. You can also cut the woody stems to make it in shape. So this is the whole method of pruning of a hibiscus tree, that helps you to make your hibiscus plant more blooming and strong. Hope you like this video. For any question, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notified of my next videos.